2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4, right? 4 minus 3 squared minus 4 squared minus 5 squared. Now 3 squared, 4 minus 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, right? 9 minus 4 squared minus 5 squared. Now 4 squared, 4 minus 9 minus 4 squared means 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 minus 5 squared. Now 5 squared, 4 minus 9 minus 16 minus 5 squared means 5 times 5 equals 25, right? 25. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. So 4 minus 9 equals minus 5, right? Minus 5, minus 16 and minus 25. Now here is minus and here is minus. Minus 5 and minus 16. Minus minus plus, but minus, right? 5 and 16 equals 21, right? Minus minus plus, but minus, and minus 25. Now minus 21 and minus 25. Minus minus plus, but here is minus, and 25 plus 21 minus 46.